Okay, my name is Mike Campbell, and this is doing a video on a Tiffin Allegro 87 model, and it's about a refrigerator. So we had to take the refrigerator out. I don't know if you can see the hole where it was, because it went bad. And we had to cut the line, cut the coils off of it, because it wouldn't go through the door. Now here's the refrigerator here. It's a Dometic 3200 or something like that. I can't remember. Dometic, or whatever you want to call it. And here's the coils we had to cut off of it to get it through the door, to get it out of the house. Alright, when we cut these coils, the house filled up with ammonia, because it was ammonia filled, and that ain't very good. It's still bad in there, and it's kind of livable, but it gets to you after a while. We got to yank all the carpet out of it, because where the ammonia dripped when we cut the line, it dripped onto the carpet, and now we got to pull all the carpet out of it, or at least the part where the ammonia soaked into the carpet and whatnot. We had the fire department out here. They put the pressure fan in there to get the fumes out, and but my deal is, why did y'all build an Allegro motorhome with such a small door? Okay, I know y'all build them on the frame and put everything in it on the floor, refrigerators, cabinets, and everything on the floor, and then you put the walls up. Okay, I can understand that, but why would you put appliances in the thing that are too wide to go through the door, knowing good and well that the appliances eventually will go out? Okay, it's like right about an inch on the thing. We had to turn it sideways, but it was about an inch, give or take, too big to go through the door with the coils on it. You see what I'm saying? So we had to cut the coils off to get it through the door. This is my beef with you people. Alright, I'm gonna put this video on YouTube. I'm gonna do everything I can to score your name. I know this sounds bad. I know I shouldn't do it, but you cause me grief. You cause my family grief, and you cause my animals to almost die. I got this cat here. He was okay, but he was a little bit bad. He was up in the front, underneath the seat. This cat here ran out the door as soon as the door opened up. I got another Tiffin cat. Right here. She was foaming at the mouth, and like I never got her out of here. I thought she was going to die. Finally got her out, and late last night she came back home. So that's my problem with you people. And I don't know if y'all gonna rectify it. Y'all ought to rectify it. Y'all ought to buy us a new refrigerator. That's what I think. One that will go through the door. Alright. That's what I think. Because we got to yank all this carpet up in here. All the way back to here. And all the step. Got to yank it all up. This is a used Motorhomes. It's a 1987 model Tiffin Allegro. Okay. We done a little bit of modification to it to make it more livable, have more room in it. The dining area, we yanked that apart and fixed that up where they have a little more room cosmetically. And the big bed in the back, we yanked it out and put 2 bunk beds back there. And now we got 2 beds instead of 1. We got a 1.5 to 2 foot walkway right in the middle, as you can see. Well, it's not going to clear up. Anyway, right there, there's a big walkway right there. Alright. And I think y'all ought to rectify the situation. I really do. I'm going to put this on YouTube and get other people's opinion. If you think that Allegro should rectify the problem that the fact that they like to have killed my animals, well, it wasn't their fault, alright, per se. Okay, I'm not saying it was their fault, but I'm saying it's their fault that they put a refrigerator in here that wouldn't go through the door. Okay, there ain't no other door that would go through except the driver's door there. Okay, and it wouldn't go through this. It wouldn't go over the steering wheel. So that's my beef. I think they ought to replace it, and either with a good used refrigerator or a new refrigerator, preferably a new refrigerator that would go through the door. That's what I think. So everybody that's looking at this video, you concur? Give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down on the situation. Give me your comment on what you think Allegro, what I think Allegro should do, if I'm right, or if Allegro was right for putting a refrigerator in here that wouldn't go through the door. Alright, the refrigerator went out. Or it's an old refrigerator. It went out. So, naturally, whenever appliances go out, you replace them. You see what I'm saying? You replace them. You put new or used appliances back. Okay. So, if I didn't take it out of the house, get it out of here, it'll still be there and we just have to use it for storage. But we pulled it out and measured it and thought it would go through, but by the time we got it to the door, actually going through the door, we noticed that it was, I don't know why, but we noticed it was right about an inch too wide. We tried to take the door off, okay? We tried to take the door off here. The screws, everything out of it. Take the frame completely off of it. Because you can see it was that much too big going through. If this wasn't there, it would have went through just fine. Because it's got that lip there. We tried to take this off, it would not come off. Because they had cemented the door frame to the house. Alright, it's like that on both sides. It's got that lip on it. Okay. It's about almost an inch lip. But we could not get the thing, couldn't get the door off to get the refrigerator out. So, what do you think? Give me your comments. Give me your comments on whether or not you think Allegro should rectify the situation by buying us another refrigerator that will go through the door to replace the one that they had put in here. Because I think whenever you build a motorhome, you ought to know that the appliances will go out. You ought to know that they'll have to be replaced, and you have to go through the door. Alright, the door is just not big enough. Why they put a small door in here, I don't know. It's smaller than the appliances. What do you think? So anyway, this is my beef. Give your comments down at the bottom of this video here, and I want to thank you for watching it. Like I say, I'm going to inform Allegro, Red Bay, Alabama, because this is where it was manufactured as far as the tags on it. I don't know when my cat's acting funny. She may end up dying. It's okay, Peanut. You're okay. I hope she don't die. Like I said, I got 3 cats and a dog. There's Peepers, and the other one back there was Peanut, Pudding. She's the one that was foaming at the mouth when I grabbed her. She was literally foaming, dripping down, foaming at the mouth. So, I don't know if she got any kind of neurological damage or anything. We don't know yet. It's still early. But, like I say, leave your comments down at the bottom of this video. Thank you for watching.